Hi everyone, it's Lee Montgomery, buyer specialist with the Shearer team. Today I am going to take you with me on a preview of a home here in wonderful Bellaggio in Lake Worth, Florida. This home is a lovely Alexander model, which consists of a 2-bedroom with a den, a 2-bathroom, 2-car garage. And this one's unique because it's in a cul-de-sac, which is really nice. Gives you privacy. It's at the end of the road, so it's usually very, very quiet. And also, you get a bigger lot usually. It's usually a pie-shaped lot. So let me switch you over here, and I'm going to show you the home. We're going to do a quick walkthrough, and then I'll tell you a little bit more about Bellaggio here. Again, I'm going to do one more pan of the street and the cul-de-sac here while everyone gets logged in. Very quiet and private. All right, let's go check this home out. Nice paver driveway, 2-car garage. Has the large double door opening. And this home is on water. So as soon as you open the door, you see that lovely water view back there, which we will get to. But very tall ceilings. And as soon as you come in, off to the right here is your den. This would make a lovely home office, or you can do a Murphy bed type office setup if you like. If you needed more room and use it as a 3rd bedroom. But check out this view. So this could be your home office / 3rd bedroom. Now that is our entrance there. Again, as we came in, you go to your right, you have your den. This is your 2nd bath. And this home has very, very tall ceilings. They range from 9 feet to 11 feet. Has the nice cherry style cabinet with granite and undermount sink. And also behind this door here is a linen closet for you inside the bathroom. Here is your guest bedroom. Have a standard closet there. And it's in the front of the home. So it has some nice landscaping to give you some privacy. And another thing with this home also, the windows and sliders are impact. It looks like, I don't know if you can see that, but it says these were built roughly around the end of 2017. So they're almost 3 years old, so fairly new. Again, very tall ceilings. In here, they're about 9 feet, and that's an 8-foot tall door. All the doors for the entries are about 8 feet in this home. You continue on into the foyer. You have a nice neutral beige tile. And this door we're getting ready to go to on the left is to your laundry room and the garage. And one little neat thing, it's small, but a lot of people don't think about. Here in Bellaggio, some of these AC filters are in the ceiling. So when you need to change that, you need a ladder or someone to do it for you. In this model, it's right there. So here's the laundry room. Plenty of space, more storage. Extra cabinet for cleaning supplies or pantry overflow. And here is your garage. Large 2-car. The floor has that nice epoxy style paint. You have your water heater in here, your wash basin. And this is a newer AC, just about a year old. So that's really, really nice. And up here is where you would have your attic access. Now, as we continue on through the home, the living areas here, the ceilings are 11 feet, so very high ceilings. And this is your kitchen with the eat-in area. A lot of windows, nice light and bright. You have granite countertops, your double 50/50 stainless steel undermount sink, your nicer, more professional style faucet. But check out this as you eat your breakfast and drink your coffee. Just nice lake view. And this has a newer refrigerator, a Samsung side-by-side. I believe it's a 2018. And we'll continue on into the living family area. A lot of space. Room for bar stools as you entertain. And right over here is your dining room area. If we would have continued on through the foyer, and these are impact resistant sliding glass doors as well to your enclosed patio, screened in patio. We'll get out there in just a second. Let's go check out the master. So off to the left of the home is your master bedroom and ensuite. Again, 8-foot doors, very tall. Enough room for a king and a full set of bedroom furniture. You have your tray ceiling. And again, you have your nice water view in the mornings to wake up to. And you have 2 walk-in closets. Plenty of storage. You can hang dresses, suits, room for shoe boxes. I'm going to continue on to the master ensuite. Matching granite from the kitchen. You have have your rectangular undermount sinks, your corner soaker tub. This also has under cabinet vanity lights on both sides. So there and over here. So they make great night lights. So you have your private toilet room that you can close with a pocket door. And you have your stand-up shower with a seat and a grab rail. Now, let's go check out that outside area. Again, in the master, plenty of room for a king and furniture. Very tall ceilings with the tray. 8-foot doors. And the impact sliders. This is your screened-in patio. Again, this home is in a cul-de-sac, so you get a large pie-shaped lot, which we'll go take a look at here in a second. And here's those impact sliders. Saves you a lot of time during hurricane season. So just outside your patio, now it's been raining a bit, so it's a little soft here. So if you see the camera hit the ground or jumble a little bit, that means I fell. Oh yeah, it's a little squishy. So there's the back of your home. Let's check out the lot. This is what's nice about the cul-de-sac. This large pie-shaped lot here. There's the den office. The newer AC unit. And the lovely lake view. Right. So again, this was an Alexander model, 2 bedrooms with a den that you could use as a 3rd bedroom if need be. Has 2 full baths, 2-car garage, and this one has water view in a cul-de-sac with the extra pie-shaped lot. Impact resistant windows and sliders. Newer AC unit. So I'll tell you a little bit about Bellaggio now. Bellaggio is a very nice community here. It consists of 1,099 homes. It's known for its amenities and lifestyle. You have an outdoor heated pool, an indoor heated pool, spa, you have tennis, you have pickleball, you have card rooms, you have billiards rooms. There's an arts and crafts room with a kiln, so besides painting, you can do mosaics and pottery there, which is very, very nice. There's a large, recently renovated theater that they do shows throughout the year, and they also do different events throughout the year for their residents. Let's see here. They do have a cafe on site. It's managed by Flakowitz, which is very, very nice. As a resident of Bellaggio, every year, annually, they give you a card with some credit on it that you can use throughout the years at this Flakowitz on site or any of them throughout the city, which is very, very nice. If you have any questions, please post them and I will get to you. Sorry, I'm a little sweaty. It's a little warm out there with the rain and the humidity. But thank you for joining me for this preview. And if you're interested in homes for sale in Bellaggio, don't hesitate to reach out to the Share team. Again, I'm Lee Montgomery, the buyer specialist. You can reach me at 561-251-9364 or lee@activeluxury.com. Have a great afternoon, and don't forget at 2 p.m., Liz Hofstetter, my other buyer specialist on the Share team, she's going to be holding a virtual open house here in Bellaggio, so don't miss that. And you'll be tuning in about 44 minutes. All right, have a great one.